Good morning, everybody. Today's Tuesday, the 2nd of June. Do you have your pack ready? Let's look at it together. Okay. So we're going to continue with vowels. Do you remember? A, E, I, O, U. You did an exercise on the board with Teacher Sola and Teacher Sachita last week, and you were practicing A, E, I, O, U. So we are going to complete the spelling for the days of the week by writing the missing vowels. It means we already have the consonants and we just got to put in A, E, I, O, or U. So do you remember yesterday you did a worksheet with the spelling of the days of the week? And teacher also gave you this one. So if you're not sure and you cannot sound it out by yourself, like Monday, you can use the chart from yesterday and copy the difference, okay? But I want you to really try hard by yourself first. And then today's number, so if yesterday was 11, what do you think today's special number is? What comes after 11? 9, 10, 11, 12. Here's number 12. So we are going to do the same as yesterday. We're going to practice using our 10 frame up here. So fill in all of the first 10. You see here we got one set of 10. And then how many extra? Look here. 2. So it'll be 10 plus 2. 10, 11, 12. And this is how we write 12. Now what does it say here? Draw 12 bees buzzing around the beehive. So you need to draw 12 bees near the beehive. And then you have to count the candy jars and tell me which one has 12 candies inside. So you'll need to count from 1 up until 12. Have a look in your house. Or have a look around your street if you can see something with the number 12 and take a picture for me. I'll give you a clue. Maybe a calendar or a clock would have a 12 on it. And then we've been practicing our number lines. So you've been learning how to write on a number line. We're going to practice using it to do addition and subtraction. It means plus or minus or take away. So I have a very good example up here. Here's a number line and it says, my dad buys 18 eggs, but he breaks 6 of them. How many does he have left? So what do we need to do? We need to think. Let's start with 18 because he has 18 eggs. And then he broke 6 of them. So we need to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So 18 take away 6 is what? Let's use it on our number chart. So I'm going to draw it. We got 18 and we got to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12. Now we have 12 eggs left. So 18 take away 6 must be 12. If you practice this one is take away, this one is add. If you keep practicing it, soon you'll know just by thinking. 18 take away 6 is 12. You won't even need to count it in your head. You'll be so good at your math. Okay, so that was our number 12 worksheet, and you're going to practice your 10 frame and your number line again. So we've been talking about recycling. And today, I want you to go on a hunt through your house, like a bear hunt, but we're going on a recycle hunt. And I want you to look around your house for things that you can recycle. It might be ready to recycle now, like it might be an empty bottle, or it might be something that you're still using, but later you can recycle it, like a shampoo bottle, or maybe you have milk in the fridge. It's not yet finished, but when you finish drinking it, you can recycle the bottle. So let's go around our house and look in the bathroom and the bedroom, the living room and the kitchen. And let me know what you can find when you go on your recycle hunt. And then we are going to practice our graphs. Do you remember we did a simple graph before? But I want you to practice more and more, okay? This one has some big numbers, and this one will let you count. So up here, we have some things up here that can be recycled or not recycled. We are going to count them and graph them. So the first thing you need to do is count them. Let's start with something easy, the apple. So we're going to count how many apples are up here. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You try it at home, maybe you count differently. But I can count 10 apples. So what I need to do, color in up to 10. If you find something only 3, you just need to color up to 3. Okay? If it's tricky, mommy or daddy can help you, okay? But the first thing to do, just count and write the numbers down here, and then you can start practicing your graph. I'm sure you can do it very easily, but always ask for help if you need it. Okay, then let's have a look what we've got here. Aha! So some of you are super good with your scissors, but I know there's a lot of you who still need a bit more practice. So I have got a snake cutting game. You've used this before, but last time teacher helped you cut. Now maybe you can do it by yourself. I think you should color it first, because after you cut it out, it's going to be difficult to color. So I think first you should decorate your snake in beautiful colors. You could even try the way you did before, where you doodle on it and then color in the gaps. Or you can give it a pattern. You know, we've been talking about different patterns. Or your snake can just be one color. This is your snake. It can be any color that you want. But when you finish, you need to go round and round and round and stop. See how long your snake is when you finish cutting it. I'm sure it's going to be very long. And then we're going to finish Tuesday with the next book, Hop and Stop. Again with the O and the U sound. So hop, stop, they're short sounds. The vowel is O again. Hop, stop. So I'll send you the video. You can practice that one with teacher Sola. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Goodbye.